Taking up running will change your life. Running isn't just a way of getting fitter. Your body will show a significant reduction in cardiovascular disease risk. Your lungs will love it too. The activity has been linked to better oxygen intake, improved circulation, and increased lung function. In this video, we'll show you the amazing benefits to your body. You'll lose body fat. What people really want to know is, does running make you lose weight? It's simple, really. Weight loss is about the balance between calories in versus calories out, and running is a great way to burn calories. You burn nearly double the number of calories compared with walking. Each mile you run burns about 100 calories. There's no expensive gym memberships. Most people can run right from their door, and all you really need is a good pair of running shoes. Develop a regular running habit, and you'll lose weight. You'll develop envious calf muscles. Running will build your calf muscles, giving you shapely legs. Running forces your calves to support your own weight, and it does it constantly and fast. Using ankle weights will help as well. There's a downside. You'll no longer be able to fit into skinny jeans, skinny boots, or anything that requires stick-thin, skinny legs. Will it bother you? I doubt it. You'll be too busy running. Your thighs will become toned. Have you always wanted to get rid of fat at the top of your thighs? Running is the answer. It's hard to think of any regular runners who don't have toned thighs. Running gives your legs a terrific workout. Run regularly and your thigh fat will be history. Your boobs will shrink. This is a downside. To be fair, it's a downside to losing weight, full stop. Most women and men will lose weight off their chest when they take up running. You can still have an attractive cleavage, just make sure you wear a sports bra. Sports bras are essential for female runners anyway. Sport bras protect the Cooper's ligaments and support the breast from stretching. Run without a sports bra and it can hurt. Your arms will shrink. This is another downside of losing weight. If you're running intensely, the muscles you're not using will slim down. That means no more arm muscles. There is a way to prevent weedy arms. Combine running with yoga or any other weight-bearing exercise that gives your arms a good workout. You'll have the best bum ever. Running doesn't just tone your legs, it tones everything below the waist. Think stomach muscles of steel and a bum to die for? When you run, you're really working your gluteal muscles. That means an envious bum without having to hit the gym. You'll sleep better. Physical exercise increases the amount of time in deep sleep and can help with insomnia. The only proviso is to avoid intense activity in the hours before bedtime. Run earlier in the day and feel the benefits when it's time to get some shut-eye. Sleep soundly and awaken refreshed. You'll feel terrific. Running makes you feel great. It even gives you energy and builds confidence, making you more outgoing. However, when it comes to how running changes your body, it's more about than just the physical side. It's a wonderful way of making friends, and you'll find yourself enjoying your journey towards becoming a fitter, healthier person. Being able to move better, run to catch a bus, get the maximum use out of your body, just makes you feel terrific. You'll stop overthinking everything. The runner's high isn't a myth. Running releases endorphins, creating a natural high. This way, you'll get to feel good without any side effects. It could be the endorphins or just the benefits of exercise, but running creates positive outlooks, helps you stop overthinking and sweating the small stuff. Life's just better when you're running regularly. Finally, you'll have a bigger heart. Like any muscle, the heart adapts to exercise by getting bigger and stronger, and therefore better at delivering blood to working muscles. Endurance runners can have their hearts that are 50% bigger than normal. They can also have wider arteries and slower resting heart rates. Just remember not to overdo it. Listen to your body and give it a rest when it needs to. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to stop leg swelling while running, exercising, and gym work. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.